Banking Leaders of Tomorrow is definitely a one-of-a-kind experience and program. When Kansas City banks are connecting with the Banking Leaders of Tomorrow, they're not only connecting with a specific sector of the Kansas City community, but they're also investing in those sectors that they serve.
Very few schools focus on banking. I'm so excited that the Kansas City banks have responded very positively to this program. They're participating, they're actually helping me teach these things in the classroom. So it's not just me teaching, it's the bankers teaching the similar concepts that I'm teaching.
Not only am I getting the knowledge I need, but I'm also getting the experience and the connections that I also need.
One of the things that comes with the Banking Leaders Tomorrow program is not just scholarship, but also the opportunity to mentor with other banking leaders. Banking Leader Tomorrow also brings in actual professional guest speakers to talk to you about career paths and how they got to the position they're at right now. But taking the time out their day to meet and helping other students is terrific.
We have quite a few banks in the consortium, and this is what is making this program so rich, because the students can get that experience from banks with different cultures.
I had never had an internship like this. It feels phenomenal. I'm doing everything. I'm not just doing one thing, and I have my own little desk too, so I feel like a permanent member.
These students are playing a part in the financial industry in Kansas City. They are really making a difference when it comes to opening up doors for their community, but also opening up the eyes of the banks that they are working for.
Presenting a project and hopefully implementing some of the things into the bank is one thing that's the most rewarding for me.
One of the cornerstones of this program is to make sure that the students are community-minded, and their goal is to make sure they use their knowledge to help improve the community.
Part of this idea is to develop members of the society. We want to have the best Kansas Cityans that we can have.
Banking leaders have tons of opportunities to volunteer and connect with their community members. We're connecting with local businesses that are wanting to teach and enrich their community members with financial literacy, but also teaching them about investing in themselves, expanding their portfolio.
The Banking Leaders of Tomorrow program and Dr. Evans have really influenced me to work in the banking industry, because I know that I could potentially go into wealth management if I wanted to. I could go into mortgage, I could go into private banking, I could go into community development.
There's so many financial institutions here, especially local banks here in Kansas City, and we want to make sure that we're the school known for having high quality students who graduate and become excellent, productive professionals.
My interns are all about excellence. They are well prepared, are engaged, they have excellent critical thinking skills, they are hard workers, and I really think that they are an excellent representation of the Bloch School and UMKC.
I feel supported and empowered as an individual in this program. I have Dr. Evans on my left, I have mentors on my right, and I have a bunch of students my age in front of me.
I would love to be working in community development directly with my community, and I didn't know that was possible until I started the Banking Leaders of Tomorrow program.
A lot of students say, I didn't necessarily know the doors that Banking Leaders of Tomorrow would open up for me, but now I feel not only prepared to enter in through those doors, but I'm excited about the doors that are opening for me.